So good morning students. This is our second class on number system. Today we are going to look into the four types of number system and we are going to convert the number system from one type to the other. So the first one is decimal number system. It consists of 10 digits from 0 to 9. So we have 10 digits 0, 1, 2 and so on till 9. The base of decimal number system is 10. The leftmost digit in a decimal number system is called least significant bit and the rightmost digit in the decimal number system is called most significant bit. For example, in 238, 2 is the MSB and 8 is the LSB. MSB means most significant bit, LSB means least significant bit. Binary number system, it consists of two digits, that is 0 and 1. These are known as binary digits or in short bits. Its base is 2. For example, 100, 1102. Here 1 is the MSB and 0 is the LSB. Binary number system to decimal number system. Now let us go through some examples to understand how to convert binary number system to decimal number system. So here we have one example 100, 110 and the base is 2. So this is a binary number. We need to convert it into decimal number. So as we know, the position of the LSB is 0 and the position of MSB here is 5. So what we need to do is we need to take the MSB and multiply it with 2 to the power 5. Why 2? Because 2 is the base of binary number. And why 5? Because 5 is the position of the MSB. Then we have to move towards 0 and we have to multiply it with 2 to the power 4. Again, since 2 is the base and 4 is the position. Then we have to move again further and we have to multiply 0 with 2 to the power 3. Then 1 with 2 to the power 2, then 1 with 2 to the power 1 and finally 0 with 2 to the power 0. And finally we need to add all these products, that is the product of 1 and 2 to the power 5, 0 and 2 to the power 4 and so on. So the product of 1 and 2 to the power 5, that is 1 into 2 to the power 5 is 32 plus the product of 0 and 2 to the power 4 is 0 plus the product of 0 and 2 to the power 3 is 0 plus the product of 1 and 2 to the power 2 is 4 plus the product of 1 and 2 to the power 1 is 2 and 0 and 2 to the power 0 is 0. So when we add all these numbers, the result is 38. So 100, 110 base 2 is 38. Similarly, we have one more example. So we need to convert 1110 to decimal. So we have 4 ones followed by 1 0. This is a binary number and we have to convert it into decimal number. So here also the position of LSB is 0 and the position of MSB is 4. So you can see the first number 0, that is the LSB has position 0, then and the MSB has position 4. So in a similar fashion, what we have to do is we have to multiply 1 with 2 to the power 4 plus the next one with 2 to the power 3 plus the next one with 2 to the power 2 plus the next one with 2 to the power 1 and finally the last 0 with 2 to the power 0. So this gives us 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0. The sum is 30. So 11110 base 2 is equal to 30 base 10. So it is 30 in decimal. Now we have to go through a decimal number system to binary number system. How to convert decimal numbers to binary? So let us consider a decimal number 15 and we have to convert it into binary. So while converting a decimal number to binary, we need to divide it by 2. Why 2? Because the base of binary number is 2. So 15 when divided by 2 gives 7 as quotient and 1 as remainder. So we have written that 1. Then we have to divide again 7 by 2. So 7 when divided by 2 gives 3 as quotient and 1 as remainder. Then we have to again divide this 3 by 2. This gives us 1 as quotient and 1 as remainder. Then we have to write the numbers in a reverse fashion. You have to follow the arrow. So the binary representation is 1, 1, 1, 1 and base is 2. So follow the arrow. We have to write the last one first and the first one at the last. We will go through one more example. So let us consider a decimal number 266 and we need to convert it into binary. So 266 when divided by 2 gives us 133 and the remainder is 0. 133 when divided by 2 gives us 66 and the remainder is 1. 66 when divided by 2 gives us 33 and the remainder is 0. 33 when divided by 2 gives us 60 and the remainder is 1. 16 when divided by 2 gives us 8 and the remainder is 0. 8 when divided by 2 gives us 4 and the remainder is 0. 4 when divided by 2 gives us 2 and the remainder is 0. And 2 when divided by 2 gives us 1 and the remainder is again 0. So the binary representation, again we have to write in the reverse order. So it will be 1, the last one first, followed by 4 zeros, followed by 1, 0, 1, 0. So this is the binary representation of 266. Some key points about binary number system. If the LSB is 0, then the number is even. Example, 110 base 2, this is equal to 6. If the LSB is 1, then the number is odd. Example, 101 base 2 is equal to 5. Shifting position of digits to right is called right shift. So if we shift the position of digits to right, then it is called right shift. Right shift is equivalent to division of binary number by 2. So in the figure, we can see an example of right shift. So the number at position 1 is put at position 0. The number at position 2 is put at position 1 and so on. And finally, the number at position 7 is put at position 6 and the position 7 is filled by a 0. So this is called right shift. This operation divides the number by 2. Similarly, if we shift the position to the left, it is called left shift. Left shift is equivalent to multiplication of binary number by 2. So left shift is equal to multiplication of binary number by 2. In left shift, what we do, we put the number present at position 0 at position 1, the number that present at position 1 at position 2, and so on. And finally, we fill the LSB with a 0, as you can see in the figure below. Then comes the octal number system. It consists of 8 digits from 0 to 7. Its base is 8. For example, 1073 base 8 is an octal number. Here 1 is the MSB and 3 is the LSB. Now octal number to decimal number. So let us consider an example. Suppose we have an octal number 1350 and we need to convert it into decimal. So what we need to do here is we have to multiply the MSB 1 with 8 to the power 3 because its position is 3 plus the next number 3 with 8 to the power 2 plus the next number 5 with 8 to the power 1 plus the next number 0 with 8 to the power 0. Why 8? Because the base of an octal number is 8 and we have to put the power as the position of that particular digit. So 8 to the power 3 into 1 is 512 plus 8 to the power 2 into 3 is 192 plus 8 to the power 1 into 5 is 40 plus 0 into 8 to the power 0 is 0. So final answer is 744. Now decimal number system to octal number system. Similarly, we can convert a decimal number to an octal number. So let us consider an example. Suppose we have a decimal number 200 and we need to convert this number to octal. So what we need to do is we need to divide this 200 by 8. So why 8? Because base of an octal number is 8. So if we divide 200 by 8, we get 25 and the remainder is 0. Then we need to again divide this 25 by 8. We get 3 and the remainder is 1. So if we write it in a reverse fashion as we did in case of decimal number system to binary number system, we will get the octal representation of 200 is 310 and the base will be 8. So it is not 310 exactly, it is 310. It is read as 310. Hexadecimal number system. So it consists of 16 digits from 0 to 9 and A, B, C, D, E, F. So A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11, C is equal to 12, D is equal to 13, E is equal to 14 and F is equal to 15. Its base is 16. For example, 1A03 is a hexadecimal number where 1 is the MSB and 3 is the LSB. Hexadecimal number to decimal number system. So let us consider an example A50. So A50 is equal to 10 into 16 to the power 2. Why 10? Because A is equal to 10. And why 16? Because base of hexadecimal number is 16 plus 5 into 16 to the power 1 plus 0 into 16 to the power 0. This gives us 2560 plus 80 plus 0, which is equal to 2640. So a hexadecimal number A50 is equal to 2640. So decimal number system to hexadecimal number system, let us consider an example. Suppose we have a decimal number 242 and we need to convert this into hexadecimal. So 242 needs to be divided by 16. This gives us 15 and the remainder is 2. Again, we need to divide this 15 by 16. This gives us the quotient as 0 and the remainder as 15. So the hexadecimal representation of 242 is F2 and the base will be 16. So thank you very much.